Hello, my name is Chiara. I'm 16 years old and now I'm going to introduce myself. So I'm from Croatia and I go to high school. In my free time, I like to listen to music because it makes me happy. Also, I really love my friends. I enjoy spending time with them the most and I love going out with them. My hobby is going to the gym. I like to work out and I've been going to the gym for almost 2 years. I'm really excited about this Erasmus experience because I love traveling, discovering new cultures and meeting new people. Thank you for watching and see you soon.
Hi, my name is Nora, I'm 16 years old and I'll introduce myself. First, I really like listening to music. I think it's relaxing and fun. I enjoy sports, especially handball. I trained handball for 6 years. I also like traveling and exploring new cultures and learning about them. And I love my friends. I love having fun and spending time with them. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.
Hi, my name is Lucia. I live in a small town in Croatia, Metković. I'm 17 years old and I would like to introduce myself to you. So here are a few things about me. I really like to paint and these are some of my paintings. I really like to express my emotions through the art. And of all of them, I would choose this one to be my favorite one. I also really like animals. This is my cat. Her name is Georgia and she is 1.5 years old. I really like traveling and I'm really talkative person. I'm not shy at all. So I can't wait to meet you all.
My name is Tony.
My name is Joško.
My name is Peter.
We are very happy to be a part of this project.
And we are looking forward to seeing you.
See you in December.
Hello, my name is Roko. I'm 16 years old. I love football and basketball and I love playing video games. My favorite video game is Fortnite and my favorite football club is Hajduk Split.
Hey there, I'm Luca, I'm 16 years old, a big football fan and a computer science enthusiast. I spend my free time studying and playing Minecraft. Looking forward to meeting you.
Hello, my name is Kristina Matic. I'm 18 years old. In my free time, I like watching series and movies on Netflix and also hanging out with my friends. I also read a lot in my free time. I can't wait to meet you all. See you soon.
Hello everyone, very nice to meet you. My name is Gabriela. I'm 17 years old. I live in a small city called Opus and it's only 10 kilometers away from Metković. I love watching rom-coms and I love reading books, also romantic. But mostly the ones that were filmed in the 90s, they're the best. I'm a part of the school's choir and also my church's choir. I adore animals and fashion. And most of all, I love traveling and meeting new cultures. See you soon, bye!
Hello everyone, I'm Tara. I'm 17 years old and I'm very excited to have the opportunity to introduce myself. I'm officially from Opuzen, that's a small town in Croatia, and I'm going to Gimnazija Metković in 3rd grade. My hobbies are hanging out with my friends, listening to music and reading books. My outdoor activities are workout. I often go to gym and I often listen to hip hop and rap, and I like to go to parties in my free time, and I love hanging out with my friends.
Hello, my name is Nina Valarovic. I'm 17 years old. I come from Croatia, Metković, and I'll be meeting you soon. So let me tell you something about myself. In my free time, I usually hang out with my friends, maybe sometimes play some video games. I enjoy watching football. My favorite club is Hajduk Split, and my favorite player is Cristiano Ronaldo. I also go to the gym 5 times a week to do some workouts and to also clear my head. That's about it. I'm glad to be in this project and see you guys soon.
Hi, my name is Lana and I'm 17 years old. I applied to this Erasmus project because I enjoy getting to know new cultures of different countries, and meeting new people is interesting too. Also, music is my true passion. It brings me so much joy and it feels like an essential part of who I am. And one of my favorite artists is Travis Scott. I really like his music. And my friends, they are a big part of my life. They bring me so much joy and we laugh a lot together. They're so supportive and we make so much unforgettable memories when we hang out. And for the last part, I would like to say one interesting fact about me is that I have a twin sister and we're fraternal twins. And she's someone who truly understands me on a deep level, and we share so much similarities and differences that makes our relationship so much special. And having a twin makes life experiences so much funnier to me. I think this was the easiest and the best part to introduce myself, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye!
Hi, I'm Petra, I'm 17 years old and I come from Croatia. I applied to this Erasmus project to travel the world with my friends, meet new people and explore different cultures and languages. One of my passions is music. I play trumpet, a little bit of piano and guitar. I love listening to music. My favorite artists are Taylor Swift, Travis Scott, Playboi Carti. I love One Direction and have been a fan since forever. I also read books and watch movies. I think that's the best way to explore the world. I love traveling and my one and only dream is to explore the whole world and live everywhere, not just one place, and that's the thing I'm most scared of, to live in one place and have an ordinary life. In my free time I hang out with my friends who I adore very, very much, and we make such fun memories together, and I hope we never stop being friends because I love them so much. Also, in my free time I hang out with my family. I have younger siblings, Carla and Marco, and together with my mom we make such fun memories together and I love them so much. My favorite animals are cats and I have 4 of them. When I finish high school, I hope to study medicine. I don't know what field exactly, but anything medicine related is very interesting to me. One fun fact about me is that I have been learning Spanish for 2 years and I can understand it very, very well and speak it also very okay.
Hi, my name is Emma and I'm from Metković. I'm 17 years old. I train boxing and in my free time I enjoy sleeping, reading books and listening to music. I love spending time with my friends and family because it makes me happy. I really love animals and I have a dog who cheers me up during sad moments. I go to high school and although I don't enjoy studying much, I do it because I'm ambitious. I'm open and social when it comes to making new friendships, and I look forward to meeting all of you.
Hey, hi, I'm Luca. I'm also from Metković. I'm 70 years old. In my free time, I go to gym. I like watch series and movies. I'm an animal lover, and I have a fluffy cat. His name is Shime. I'm a very sociable person, and I like meeting new people. And by the way, we are friends and we're going to friends.
Hi everyone, my name is Laura and I'm 17 years old. I live in Croatia and go to Gimnazije Metković. It's my family and I live with my younger sister and my parents and I have a really happy family. I don't know English very well, but I really want to learn it better. At first, I like to eat healthy and I like going to the gym because I enjoy taking care of my body and my health. In my free time, I love sleep a lot and spending time outside with my friends. Studying is what I live for last. I also enjoy cooking and baking, and I really love to try new foods. I absolutely love animals, especially dogs. I love doing braids for my friends like this. I also like listening music and watching sunsets. I love to laugh and have fun and meet new people. At last, I'm cheerful, ambitious and creative person. I'm open to talking with everyone and love helping others. I also love traveling, getting to know other cultures and meeting new people. I can't wait for us to meet each other. Bye!
Hi, my name is Petra and I'm 17 years old. I choose Erasmus because I love the idea of stepping out of my comfort zone and I love meeting new people from different countries. I have a twin sister, her name is Lana. Having a twin sister means having a built-in best friend who just gets you. Even if we are different, there is a special bond between us, like an unspoken connection. A few things I'm into are traveling, trying new food and also music. I'm pretty easygoing and I love good laugh. Also, I love baking cookies with my sister. I love going to the cinema and my favorite genre of series is romance. I love horror movies too. In these photos are my friends and I, whom I mostly hang out with. I really adore them and they always make me laugh. I hope you like this video and see you soon. Bye bye!